It's BodyBreak with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
Ahoy, matey. When you're out in the high seas, you really work up an appetite.
And to keep our energy high, I made this muffuletta the night before that's chock full of good things to eat. It's quick and simple to make. Start with a large round loaf of bread and slice it in half horizontally. Then hollow out the top and bottom, leaving a ½ inch crust. Cover the bottom with lettuce and add 2 tablespoons of calorie-reduced or other lower-fat dressing. The nice thing about using dressing is that it adds great flavor to your sandwich. We like peppercorn ranch, but you can use your favorite. Now arrange some lower-fat cheese over the lettuce and top with cucumber, turkey, and sliced tomatoes. Pour another 2 tablespoons of dressing and repeat the layers. End up with lettuce and top it with 2 tablespoons of dressing. Wrap the sandwich tightly and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or up to 24 hours before slicing into 4 to 6 wedges. It's an excellent picnic or party idea, and this sandwich contains foods from all 4 food groups.
Good food, blue skies. Now, if I only knew where I was going. So until next time, keep fit and have fun.
BodyBreak.
Thanks for watching this video.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BodyBreak channel for more awesome videos.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.